The big picture. The next time we are feeling bored, sad, or irritable, try to remember our cosmic situation. At this moment, we are riding on a big round-shaped rock that is hurling through space, spinning around its axis at about 1,000 miles per hour and revolving around the Sun at approximately 66,000 miles per hour. Along with our entire solar system, we are soaring through the Milky Way galaxy at nearly 500,000 miles per hour. And what's truly remarkable is that we don't even have to hold on. The Sun is a star, and it is the nearest star to Earth. It was created 4.6 billion years ago, and it will burn itself out in another 5 billion years. Let alone billions. We can't even imagine what 1 million years would look like. It makes us realize what a fraction we are in the history of our vast universe, and how trivial some of the things we concern ourselves about really are. It also helped put our losses, which seemed so overwhelming at the time, in perspective. We may feel that our loss is the most significant thing in the universe. Our losses will take their proper place in our lives in time and with perspective.